Hello children, welcome back to the topic squares and square root. Today we are going to learn how to find square root by long division method. In previous class we have learned how to find square root by prime factorization method. Now second method of finding square root is by long division method. Before that, just have a look at this table. See number 10, and if you find the square of 10 we will get 100, which is the smallest 3-digit perfect square number. Now next number 31, the square of 31 is 961. It is the greatest 3-digit perfect square number. So smallest 3-digit perfect square is 100. Greatest 3-digit perfect square is 961. Now 32, square of 32 is 1024, which is the smallest 4-digit perfect square. Then 99, if you find the square of that, you will get 9801, which is the greatest 4-digit perfect square. So from this we can come to a conclusion that, see, if a perfect square is of 3-digit or 4-digit number, then its square root will have 2 digits. That is, if the given number is a perfect square with 3 or 4 digits, then its square root will have 2 digits. We have generalized a formula for this sheet. If a perfect square number is of n digits, then its square root will have n by 2 digits if n is even, or n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd. That is, see in this question, see the last one, 4 digits are there. So 4 digit is an even number, so 4 by 2, 2. So its square root will have 2 digit. Similarly, see this one. Here 961 is a perfect square number of 3 digits and it is an odd number. So how many digits will be there in the square root? How can you get n plus 1 by 2? That is 3 plus 1 by 2. That is 4 by 2. 2 digits. 31 is having 2 digits like that. That is the formula we can. Now we are going to find how to find the square root by long division method. I will explain it through an example. So question is, find the square root of 529 by division method. Here I have written the steps which are given in the textbook, which is very long, but don't get confused. What we have to do is very simple. I will explain. See, first of all, see what is the number we have? 529. So how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So first of all, we have to make pairs of digits starting from the ones digit. Which is the ones digit? 9, tens digit 2, then hundreds digit 5. So ones and tens digit, that is starting from the right towards the left, two digits we have to make pairs and you have to put a bar over that. So see, first 29 is the first group, first pair, put a bar. The next we are having only 1 digit 5, then put a bar. So we have 2 pairs of groups. So that is the first thing, first step we have to do. Then as we do for normal division, we have to draw the columns like this. Now see, that is written here, see. Very long written, but what we have to do is very simple. Place a bar over every pair of digits starting from ones digit. We have already done. Now next, what is second step? Find the largest number whose square is less than or equal to the number under the leftmost bar. Take this number as the divisor and the number under this leftmost bar as the dividend. What is the first group? If you see the division, see, first group is 5. As we start the normal division, we start from the left group only. So left group is 5. We have to find the largest perfect square number, either which is equal to 5 or less than 5. We know that 5 is not a perfect square number. Then which perfect square is coming less than that, which cannot be more than that, which is that 2 square equal to 4. So that is written here, see. See, I have written here 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So our 5 is coming between 2 square and 3 square. So 2 square equal to 4, that is less than 5, less than 3 square 9. So 2 is the digit we are getting. Square of 2 is less than 5. So this 2 is the digit which is becoming the divisor and also the quotient. So you see here, see 2 is the digit in the divisor place and the same 2 is the digit in the quotient place, which on the right on the top. Now we have to write the 2 just below that also. That is not shown in your textbook, but you write, that is very easy to understand. So the new digit, that is square of 2 is 4, which is very close to 5. We cannot take more than that. We can take either equal to or less than the first pair. So 2 square is 4 is less than 5. So 2 is the digit we have to write in 3 places. One is in the divisor place, just below that, and in the quotient place. Then write which is the dividend, 5. So 2 square is 4, write below the dividend and subtract just like ordinary division. So 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Then we have to double the next digit, this digit. So 2 plus 2, 4, or 2 2s are 4. This is the first part of division. First step of division. I think you all followed it, and that is written here also. See, leftmost bar dividend, and which is the new digit we got, 2. That is the new digit, 2 is the divisor and also the first digit in the quotient. Then divide and get the remainder. This much we have completed. Third step is bring down the number under the next bar to the right of remainder. That is, we have already got 1 here. Then I am showing as the second part. See, this much we have done. We got up to 1. 5 minus 4, 1. Now in normal division, what we do, we bring one digit down. But here we have to bring one pair down. So next pair is 29. Bring 29 down. So the dividend becomes 129. All of you understood? That is the next step. And the left side we have 2 plus 2, 4, or 2 2s are 4. Now we have to find the next step. For that, go through it. See, bring down the number under the next bar to the right of remainder. We have that. Now double the quotient and enter it in with a blank space on the right. That also we have done. How we have done? See, double the digit. Double of 2 is 4. We have written here. See, we have 4. And leave a space for writing 1 digit here, because 1 more digit is going to come. So that much space should be there. Now another step is that much we have done. Now guess the largest possible digit to fill the blank, which becomes a new digit in the quotient, such that when the new digit is multiplied with the new quotient, product is less than or equal to the dividend. That is, you see here, we have done up to here. We have double the digit 2, we got 4. Now we have to see the next digit after 4, that is 41. Then that same digit we have to multiply with the 41. So 41 ones are 41, which is smaller than the dividend 121. If that is not possible, then find 42 twos are. 42 twos are 84 is also smaller than 121. Then find 43 threes are. That is new digit coming after digit 3, then 43 it becomes. Then that number we have to multiply with the quotient number 3. So quotient place also 3 only. So 43 threes are, which is exactly equal to 129, and which is the dividend. So you understood how the 3 got? That is, after doubling the digit 4, we have to find the first table is 41 ones are 41. It is small. Then we have to find 42 twos are 84, also small. Then I found 43 threes are 129, which is exactly equal to the dividend 129. So 3 is the new digit. We have to write in 3 places. That is, after 4, below 43, and in the quotient place. Now 129 below that, 43 threes are 129 return. Subtracting, you will get 0. So we can write square root of 529 equal to 23. Now one more way is there to find this 3 digit, getting the new digit 3. See the last digit of this dividend 9. We learned in the properties of squares that if a number having the last digit 3 or 7, if you find the square, it will have 9 in the units place. Do you remember that? So if 3 or 7 coming as the last digit, and if you find the square, it will have 9, because 3 3s are 9, 7 7s are 49, also 9 coming. So those two digits, either 3 or 7 can come. So first you try with 3. After 4, adding 3, it becomes 43. Then 43 multiply with the new digit 3. So 43 3s are 129, which is exactly correct. Suppose if it is not suitable, then next pair, which one we will try? 47 7s are we have to try. Here already we got, then there is no need of trying again. Now we have done only one question, that long steps. That is only for understanding. You no need to learn by heart. Only thing you have to do only this much and this answer only. So when you do one question, you feel it is very hard, but when doing many questions, it will become easy. Now we'll go to one more question. See, find the square root of 4096 by division method. So what is the first step here? I have not written any step. We have to do direct. So there are 4 digits in the given number. So starting from the right, two digits together, make pairs and put bars. So starting from the ones place, 6 and 9. 96 is the first pair, put a bar. Then the remaining 2 digits, 40, put a bar. So we have 2 groups or 2 pairs of numbers. So there will be, how many pairs are there? That many steps of division will be there. Here 2 pairs are there. So there will be 2 pairs or 2 steps of division. Now take the first pair from the left side. What is the first pair? 40. Now we have to see which is the perfect square equal to 40 or less than 40. We know that 40 is not a perfect square. So which perfect square is coming less than that? I have written here on the side, 6 square equal to 36. Then I found the next one square, 7 square equal to 49. 49 is more than 40, so we cannot take this. So which is the suitable one perfect square? 6 square equal to 36 is the suitable one, that is 6. Square of 6. So 6 is the digit we have to write in 3 places. In the divisor place, just below that, and in the quotient part. We have written the new digit in 3 places. Okay, you understood? Yeah. Now 6 square is equal to 36. That right below 40 and subtract. So 40 minus 36 equal to 4. Okay. So 40 minus 36 equal to 4. That we got. The left side, we have to double the divisor. So 6 plus 6, 12. This doubling doing only in the first step, not in the second step. 6 plus 6, 12, or 6 2s are 12. So we have already got 12 in the divisor's place, and subtracting remainder we got 4. Then next step is bring the next pair of digits down. So 96 we have to bring down. So the number becomes 496. So this is the dividend now. What we have in the divisor place? 12. Now we have to find a new digit after 12. When we multiply that number with the new digit, we should get either 496 or less than that. Here also see, first pair we can try is 121 ones are small, then 122 twos are 244 also small. See, I found 123 threes are, see, these both the digits are changing together. 123 threes are 369, that is also small. Then I found 124 fours are 496, which is exactly equal to the dividend. So I have found 123, so that you can understand which pair is suitable, which pair is not suitable. So 124 fours are 496, which is exactly equal to the dividend. So which is the new digit coming? 4. So that right after 12, just below that, and in the quotient part, in 3 places. Now 124 fours are 496, just written below the dividend, and subtracting you will get a 0. And here no need to do anything in the last part. So we can write square root of 4096 equal to 64. As I told here, see here the last digit is 6. We already learned in the properties of squares that if a number ending in 4 or 6 in the square, it will have 6 as the unit digit. That is 4 square equal to 16, 6 coming, 6 square equal to 36, also 6 coming. So after 12, either we can find 124 fours are. Suppose this pair is not equal to this number coming, then we can find 126 6 are. That will be easy way to find the last digit in the step. So I think now you understood. Now in the exercise, many questions are given, that doing you will understand more about it. Now we are going to find how to find the square root of decimals. See this number, find the square root of 17.64. So only thing is that same long division method only we have to do. Only thing, we have to put the decimal as we do in the normal division. We have to put decimal in the quotient. So you see, what is the number? 17.64. After the decimal also we have 2 digits. Before the decimal in integral part also we have 2 digits. So no problem. As we done in the previous question, starting from the right, from the ones place, 2 digits together, make pair and put a bar. So first group is 6, 4, 1, then point, let it be in the middle. Then the next number 17 is the next pair, put a bar. So we have 2 pairs, there will be 2 steps of division. Now as usual, we have done in the previous question, 17 is the first pair of number from the left side. Always start the division from putting bar from the right to left, but division starting from left only. So leftmost pair, the number is 17. Now we have to find which perfect square is either equal to 17 or less than 17. We know that 17 is not a perfect square. So I have written here 4 square equal to 16, 5 square is 25, which is greater than 17. We cannot take. So which is the suitable one? 4 square equal to 16. So 4 is the new digit we are getting, that is square of 4 is 16. So 4 is the new digit. We have to write in 3 places, in the divisor place, just below that, and in the quotient part we have written. Now 4 fours are 16. So write what is the dividend? 17. So 16, right below the dividend 17 and minus. So 17 minus 16, you will get 1. Now here 4 is the divisor, double the digits. So 4 twos are 8. We have written 8 below that. And leave some space so that here one more digit is going to come. Now what is the next step? We have to bring the next pair down. But before that there is decimal in the dividend. So put decimal in the quotient. After that bring the next pair of digits down. So already we have the remainder 1. The next pair 64 bringing down. The next dividend becomes 164. We have got 164. Now we have doubled the digit 4, then we got 8. Now first pair we can raise, see I have shown here 81 ones are 81, which is small. Then I found 82 twos are, see this is the way both the digit we should change together. If 81 ones are less coming, then don't do 81 twos are. Both the digits we have to change together. Next pair we can raise 82 twos are 164, which is exactly equal to the dividend 164. So which is the new digit we are getting? 2. That we have to write in 3 places. After 8, just below that, and in the quotient part after decimal. So 82 twos are 164, written below the dividend 164, and subtracted, you got 0. So we can write square root of 17.64 equal to 4.2. So here after the decimal, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So half of the digit means 1 digit with decimal will be there in the answer. Now see how to put bars on the decimal number 176.31 for finding square root. See here the 176 is the integral part. That as we done now, we have to do ones place, tens place, hundreds place, like that. And after the decimal, that decimal part, there is a difference. See here, I have shown here. First integral part, 176. So starting from the right to left, two digits, ones and tens together, 76, 1 bar. Then next number only 1 bar. So this way. Now see the decimal part, 0.341. Here three digits are there. So we cannot make 41 as the first group. That is the wrong way. We will add 1 0 and we will make even number of digits. So 0.3410. Then starting from the right to left. So 10 is the first pair, then 34 is the next pair. So we can write this as 176.341 as first one, then 76 together, then 34 together, then 10 together. By adding 0 after the decimal, value of the number is not going to change. So this is the way you have to make it. No need to find the square root. This is just an example I have shown how to put a bar on the decimal number having odd number of digits after decimal. Okay. Now next class we will do many questions of division method, then you will understand very well. Now today we are concluding here. Thank you.